finally getting this car. What a crazy day. I cannot wait. Alright, so for starters, I looked at the service history on this car and it is spot on, pretty much perfect. I'll show you the service history right here. A huge shout out to Easy Auto Pay Miami. They are very cool people, very friendly people. They even helped me out with a couple of things with the car. They dropped the price down for this. Here's the original listing price. Obviously, it was going to be a little bit more since I'm financing a car. There's dealership fees, license and tag, registration. And if we do the auto check, running the VIN number, here is the history report that it comes with. And as you could tell, this is above average. So like that means like this car is very, very good. Passes, everything really. No issues, no recalls. I know the IMS failure of these cars, it was like a very small percentage of it. I don't think this car has that issue, but let's go to Carfax. Let's type in Porsche, service history, and look, the collection is a really fancy car dealership in Florida. So if I type in the collection dealership, this is what I find pretty much. 4 out of 5 stars. I'll just click on this one. Let's go on the website. This is basically where the Porsche, my Porsche, has been serviced. This is where my car was serviced at. 2015 was the last one that's updated on Carfax. Doesn't really matter, but look at the mileage between then and now. Like I say, that last owner only put 5,000 miles in 4 years. 9 Brandman Motor Cars of Palm Beach. I think they sell McLarens there too. 2008, it just goes on and on up to 2007, and that just shows that this car was well worth it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share with your friends, family, and other people, and follow me on Instagram, add me on Snapchat, and also smash the like button for every crazy video I've ever uploaded to YouTube. Each video just gets crazier and crazier. You know you're in Miami when you see this. What is that down there? Maseratis are ugly. Anyways, this is the dealership where I bought it from. Oh Jesus, bro! It's not the best looking place, but they got a lot of nice cars. There's my baby. They got other Mustangs here too. They got, this is a 65, and I think that's a 69 Mustang right there. Porsche actually. Alright. I got this car for around $10,000 right here. I got the car for around $10,000. I bargained the price from, the car was listed for $13,900. I was able to bargain the price down to $10,000. Of course, listen to me. I'm financing the car. I don't care. It's a Porsche. So I got the price lower because of this scratch right here, and a little bit of a dent right here. It's not a problem. I'll fix it later down the road. And look at the condition of the car. It's pretty good. And look, there's a bit of clear coat missing right here. And this is kind of popped out of place. And then if you go right here to the bottom of the front bumper, there is a nasty scratch. That's because when they parked so close to the curb, they scratched it. And if you look at the wheel right here, it looks dry rotted. So I'm gonna have to replace these wheels. I don't mind. And it's missing like a cover right here. But look at that. I like it. I really like it. It's like a silverish blue color. Clean title, no accidents. Here's a little small scuff right here. Shouldn't be that big of an issue. And if you go to the wheel right here, you can see like the paint chipped out. I'm probably gonna have to get this repainted or whatever, but we'll see. And it has Porsche stickers on there. And right here, a bit more clear coat missing. And this headlight has a crack in it. But we'll figure it out once I get the car running. So now, it's locking. They didn't replace the battery. Keep going. Alright, so this was an issue they had. The battery was dead because they haven't drove the car in about a month. And I know with Porsches and other cars like that, you're supposed to drive them to keep the battery on. So now we gotta jump start the car. That was the only issue I found with the car, but we got the price down from practically $15,000 to $10,000. I don't mind that. Me and my friend Ariel is the one who works with the Euro cars and my Audi A4 project car. We're gonna start fixing this car. Alright, so we got the car started. He basically just held it for like 5 more seconds than what I actually did. I held it for like 2 seconds and then that's it, because I didn't want to fry the starter. And this is the car right now. We have the hood open, we have the front open, we need windshield washer fluid, no seat belt, and the airbag light is on, but that turns off when you're driving apparently. When I test drove this car, there was no code, so this will disappear soon. Coolant is in middle. Oil, you can see it's normal. And let's go check out the trunk. Look at that, we also got the wing up. This is Carrera 4. This is the 4-wheel drive, 295 horsepower, and I didn't open it. Okay, let's try this again. What is it? You click it? Maybe the wing has to be down. I think I have to put the wing down. Alright, so how do I put the wing down? Okay.
Dude, I just burned myself touching the metal.
There it is. So this is the engine. We'll look at the serpine belt in a second, but everything looks good. And that ticking noise is actually coming from, I think it's the evap, from what I've researched, because when I looked at the car before I bought it, I researched it. You see this hose right here? That's a clicking sound. That's like an evap or a purge valve actuator, which is this right here. And this is connected to the throttle body. So I gotta get this thing serviced and cleaned out. But the main reason I bought this car, like I said, this car's been serviced at many high-end servicing dealerships that service Porsches, Maseratis, Audis, BMWs, Mercedes, McLarens, Koenigseggs, all these cars. That's the reason I bought this car, because I know the service history is good. The car looks well maintained for the engine-wise and transmission-wise. Now let's look at the interior. Something you don't really see in these 996 models is the colorful Porsche emblem. Usually you just see like a black plastic trim right there, but this is colorful. That's nice. This is the Tiptronic transmission. It's automatic. It has 115,000 miles in the car, but when I test drove the car, it drives like a beauty. It also has cold AC, and the AC works. Has an aftermarket radio, and that little beep you hear just now, that's basically like a security system, aftermarket security system, like alarm for the car. I gotta figure out how to disable that sound because it's annoying, but we'll figure it out. And the radio works. The convertible top doesn't work. This window doesn't work. How do you think I got this car for such a good deal? Me and my friend Ariel, we're gonna get this thing fixed. If you look at the back right here, it's missing a cover and it needs to be fixed, like the convertible top, like a mechanism snap. I know Porsches are expensive. And look at that sticker. It's whatever. Let's go for a drive back home.
Yo, rev it, rev it. Yo, that's loud as fuck. Oh my god.
I can't believe I got a Porsche. Tiptronic, upshift, downshift. Downshift. This is amazing. So far, so good. Everything looks normal. The oil temperature, especially on a very hot day in Florida. What else? The coolant is fine. When you're stuck in traffic and you're bored, just do this. And check that out, we're home. Oh yeah! This car's engine is so healthy right now. This is insane. Yo, I was looking to get either a Toyota Supra, the old one, the 94, or finance an Audi TT, but look, this car is financed. I ain't able to afford it. If I can pay this car off in under a year, it's only gonna cost me what, $11,000, $12,000, which is still cheaper than the average. This is a 2001 Porsche 911 Carrera 4, not the 4S, just the 4. The 4S has a wider body and it has the 300 horsepower 3.6 engine. And this is just a 3.4, 295 horsepower, which is still pretty good, not bad. It's kind of slow when you're starting to take off, but once you pass 40, the car takes off like it's nothing. 115,000 miles in the car. This is insane. What a great deal. I have a lot of fixes to do with my friend Ariel, who owns the Crankin' Wagon. We're going to be fixing that project car right there, the 2013 Audi A4. And let's just show you exhaust. Stock exhaust. At least the wing functions pretty well. Now I need to figure out how to fix a convertible top and then enjoy this. This is absolutely amazing. Man, I think I'm gonna go German cars all my life. Look at that engine. I need to add coolant to it because it's a little bit lower than the regular mark. This sounds amazing. I need to figure out what that hissing sound is right there. Could be the supplying bell or something else. Let's turn it off. Okay, so I'm scanning the car for codes, but I got the wrong scanner. Let me see. I don't know where I put it. How do I open this? Yo! I got a free iPhone! What? Bro, I could probably sell this and make some money out of it. I think the battery's probably toasted though. Yo, that's insane. And a charger. Yo. It comes with the built-in iPhone charger. That means I could use my Audi A4, the Tune 2 Air adapter on ear and play some music, Bluetooth. Hey, let's go for a test drive. Bro. Small test drive. Woo! I need to get new brake pads.
How close should I? Do you want the camera?
Huh? No, just record all this. The downshifting. I'm in for speed.
Ooh, it kicks.
This is insane. Downshift. Pedestrian walking, 30 points.
Yo, slow down. Slow down, dude. You're stressing that guy out.
$60. Oh, slow down. Slow down.
Bro, floor it right now. Bro, that bitch look.
Dude, not bad for an 18-year-old car.
Holy shit.
Not bad. I wonder if this car does launch starts.
You need to practice drifting in this thing. Holy shit.
Shit, bro.
That's nice. I like
That was a good launch start.
I like that one. I like that one.
Dude, I literally killed so much gas in this car. Dude, this takes corners so well.
It's rear-wheel drive, right?
It's all-wheel drive, dude. That's what the 4 means. That's what Carrera 4 means.
No
Carrera.
wonder you're fucking hammering these turns.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You can take these turns.
What the fuck?
Dude, this is literally a track car that you could drive on the road every day.
How do you feel about it?
Speechless, honestly. Like, I'm just so happy I have a car now I can have fun with. Downshift. Second gear. First gear.
Dude, that guy looked with headphones on.
60. Woo! Man, this is amazing. 115,000 miles. You know what I noticed about this Porsche? If you accelerate really fast and you let go of the gas, it still keeps the RPMs where you left off. That way, if you want to get back on the throttle, you have an instant boost right there. Even though this car doesn't have boost because it's non-turbo car. It's still pretty good for
This car needs
a
a turbo.
flat inline 6.
It needs an exhaust.
Not inline, is this inline?
Turbo.
I think I have no idea what I'm talking about right now. I need to read the Porsche forums. Those people are looking at us.
Bro, this is so low. Okay, where do I put?
I'll grab it. I don't think this has cup holders.
Oh shit.
Oh,
this is so far. You're so far back.
oh no, that doesn't move. I have to fix that. The adjuster doesn't move. I mean, this one moves.
Okay. Drive. Fuck it.
Yeah, just put in drive. That's it.
Holy shit.
Now you're the first person to drive my car.
Ooh, there's no power steering, is it?
No, this car has power steering, ABS, all that. How do you think it has such good traction?
Heavy.
I think it's a GT3 models. There's one of those models. I'm probably wrong, but I know there's a Porsche model that doesn't come with any traction control, stability control, ABS, anti-locks, or something like that.
It's like sturdy. Like it feels like I'm in a tank.
And this is the aftermarket radio. I'm not a fan of it. I'm gonna switch it out. Probably put a more modern one.
Alright, let's do it.
Yeah, just go back home. See, it kicks in a little bit after like 40.
I didn't floor it at first. I'm gonna floor it now.
Alright, take us home.
What's this M do?
That's just manual. You put it in manual, you can use these buttons. I don't want you to use that because this car's a bit out of your league when it comes to driving.
Wait for this guy to go.
50 already, dude.
It's quick.
I think 0 to 60 is like, what, 4 or 5 seconds in this car? Take the turn.
Dude, I like how it's like 175 is right there.
Go for it. Dang, that is loud for a stock exhaust. There's a lot of fixes that need to be done with the car that's not engine wise. I am going to service the engine first and then fix all these little minor quirks and issues. And I think we can conclude the video that today was a very successful day. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more crazy future videos later on. And remember, this car we will still keep modifying it. We will try to get it back on the road. I have the engine, I have the transmission, I have the ECU, other parts. Now I just need to find the Quattro all-wheel drive system to convert this front-wheel drive car into Quattro, and we should be good to go. Man, it's so humid outside. I'm gonna take a shower and go to bed pretty soon. Anyways, peace out, subscribe, see you next one.